Medical research in West Africa is entering a transformative era. For decades, much of the research dictating local health outcomes was conducted abroad, with findings imported back for local application. Today, a new standard is being set right here in Bauchi State, Northeast Nigeria.
I mentioned this clinical trial center, world-class clinical trial center here at ATBU University Hospital.
The project is about a clinical trial center, which was established in partnership with Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, CEPI, with the technical support from Medical Research Council of the Gambia and the Federal Government of Nigeria through the Federal Ministry of Health. And this site has been selected to have this facility so that we can serve as a hub for clinical research.
By shifting the paradigm from imported research to locally led clinical trials, the center focuses directly on the specific environmental, cultural, and health needs of the region.
When we're talking about clinical research, we are talking about research that involves humans to find out the diseases that are prevalent in our environment and come up with a solution that is going to be more applicable to our people and to the specific environment as well as the specific culture that we are having here. So this kind of facility will now assist us in trying some drugs, new drugs that will come, vaccines, some medical devices. And this kind of research actually can give us the opportunity now to produce the drugs that are supposed to be utilized in this part of the country.
The Clinical Trial Center does not operate in isolation. It forms part of a robust, fully integrated medical research ecosystem within ATBU Teaching Hospital.
This building that was commissioned is a component of other areas that is needed to carry out researches. And one of the components is the molecular laboratory. We have been having the molecular lab for over how many years? 7 years or so, because since 2019, when there was COVID-19, we were able to establish a molecular genetic research laboratory. So that laboratory is there functioning. We use the laboratory to confirm some diseases, infectious diseases, especially Lassa fever, monkeypox, as well as other diseases that are prevalent in our environment. We have another center here in the same hospital, the isolation center, where we isolate all infectious diseases that are coming. And if you want to do some research or do some clinical trials, we need some patients and other participants. So we have the Center for Infectious Disease, where we have a very comprehensive isolation center for management of infectious diseases.
Central to the center's mission is building strong community relationships and achieving financial sustainability through international grant funding.
Having this facility has already given us the opportunity to reach out to the community, do advocacy, at the same time have a very good trust between us and the community. We have already started that, and then we have already started some few researches which involve the community, as well as testing some few new drugs that are going to be used in the treatment of Lassa fever.
Use IH2 myself. That's the reason why you have, if it's all yes, analysis is done.
With active trials underway and upcoming research targeting vaccine efficiency for Lassa fever and emerging infectious threats, the center stands as a beacon of local capacity and global impact.
In future, we are going to start, conducting research on the efficacy and safety of some newly developed vaccines, especially for now for Lassa fever, and later for any other new infectious disease that will come. So we have the capability now to do the clinical trial in this center.
Advancing health, strengthening communities, and leading research right here in Bauchi State, Northeast Nigeria.